Me not cry wolf forget money. You see, when me want to do my BBL and my breast, me come live and direct and tell the people them say, guys, me I look BBL money. Me sit down for my live, play a match until me make my BBL money. Me go do my BBL. Anything me want, me tell my people them directly the truth and me making money and go do it. Me tell it, me talk it to them say it hard for believe. When certain people are go through things, it's hard for we actually believe when people actually are go through something because people on TikTok, it rankers them do so much to get a little kind. So it's like you know when a man really are go through it.
True.
So sometimes when you see people, them must say, me now go like in a your situation. Me say I go through something for you. Me now put me say I go through. Me believe say I go through something for you. That's why I say me now bully, me now make a video, me now do everybody I do. But certain people, them do it based on experience. Like me now go call out other people name forget them in a mix. But a lot of them come cry. Wolf said this happened to them, and after 2 days, 3 days, then take him money go do this or a lie. Them I tell just for put on a little show. So people then confused. So all who actually want believe. But I know for them believe still, because you know where you go through where you are go through. But I just say go TikTok. TikTok is a place where you just do what you have to do. If you feel like you're stressed and you say you're safe place to come ball out and do what you have to do it.
Yeah, because my platform.
For me, did I say why you come live and cry every minute?
People on my platform where me can always come out and talk with. You get what me I say, you try to release your mind. You get
me even say why every time you come live, you click your live and cry. Me I wonder if I fake it. Why you turn on your live every day you cry? But then today me come back and me change him out and me say guys, a reality for true, because there's a lot of times me cry on live. Look for me popular. You know how much friends me have can call, me can go out. But sometimes you don't want to call a friend, sometimes you don't want to go out, you want to vent to social media. So then me just take out my teeth and my teeth fresh, me just take out my gum. I'm supposed to sleep and me bored and me yard and have nothing to do. I saw see what me there, you know, normally people take out their teeth, they would rest. I just to make them we are taught because this is me. This is my safe spot. This is my safe place, my comfort. So me understand when you come live and I cry. And that's why I come back today and say me take back when me say because I see oh yeah, me could never bully you, me could never go make 2 videos and say me a laugh after you. Next thing tomorrow, God forbid, they go say Annie taking life. All I want make video laugh. How no feel tomorrow morning. Me not laugh for nobody. Me see people.
Annie, good night.
Oh, this hello.
Good night. You don't know me. Annie, good night.
Good night.
Just a few words from you don't know me either, but me watch you all the time. Annie, word of advice for you. You see, self-care, it means a lot. Don't take it the wrong way. Can me see you either go up, you know. This is not anything wrong. What I want you to do for you is to, I can't tell you if you not cry, because some things hurt a lot where you have to cry. But one of the things when I want you to start off with is loving you first. Just remember.
I gotta tell the lady to love her. I know the lady don't love herself first.
You not understand, Vani. Don't take things in the wrong way and the wrong
but
context.
No, with alright. But listen, we not take it the wrong way. But that's a wrong going off. Let me tell you. Everybody has their own opinion, but you can't tell a person to love themselves first because of their actions on the internet. Me tired to tell people, you know, you see some people on the internet, when you meet them in a real life, them are genuine people, you know. Sometimes, let me tell you something. You see everybody on the internet, me I'll tell you this, so none of we know innocent. We know how to use we head and we know how to make money. You see, social media pays off on negativity. You see, if that people want, that we're going to give them for make money. Everybody have their own look way. Me, I be honest, said this is our type of way of making our income. I should just do it like everybody else. Some people lie, some people do all sort of things. So you can't tell a person to love themselves first because you don't know if the woman love her. The woman gonna love herself. She can't love herself, but she just, not because her actions does the divine say she don't love herself. Not because she be some type of way.
That's what I'm saying. You may be taking it the wrong way. I mean, I watch any videos and I watch her from she was cooking and all of that. Even when she did have the liquor restaurant, from that time, they watch her. So anything I'm saying here, even when our people, they might have say take me down or whatever, me I watch her from way back when it does doesn't mean anything bad. Me and Annie in the same age group. But you see,
All
some
right.
as you
Sorry
say,
for
the
both
older
you out,
they
but give her your advice. Sorry for both you out.
as
Girl.
you as me say, you see, sometimes it starts within us and
Say what?
it no mean anything bad. Ivany, I watch you too. You understand? So me understand certain things about the internet is good
I
and
tell you what, any problem. Nothing but you. And this is the truth. Me I tell you what, any problem. And this is why, me I tell you something. You see, when you and somebody have something in a common or no click, notice, no matter how Annie, me and Annie tear down and ask her, I mean, I always the one for send her request to talk back to her. I may just send her request. When me and her
understand
tear
them.
down.
But
She
I
never have to
mean,
beg. Well, I know she never have to beg friend from me. I me ever cuss her and when she cuss me, I me find her and call, tell the people them spam her and call her. She have something when me and her click. Me just like her for some reason. Me I tell you what, you see
and
Annie
she
and
is a
me.
nice person. She
You see the
is a
problem with
nice.
me and Annie, we don't know how to be by ourselves. Me I tell you. Me study Annie, me watch Annie and watch Annie. You see the happiest of Annie, and when Annie have her man. Yeah, we know say Annie have our kids them, and we're not gonna speak on our kids, because this have nothing to do with our kids. Kids love and man love and friend love a different love. When Annie there on man, where she there with and she talk to, are the happiest of Annie. Happiest of me too. Once Annie and Fear man kick off and then a day again or something go on, Annie gone in a one whole different depression mode. Head chip no good. And I mean that too. You see,
All
the
right.
moment you learn to stay by yourself, the moment you learn for can be by yourself and can tell yourself so you don't need a man company, you go see so you can better off without them. And you're not gonna go into the stress.
You can always listen. That's a
Hello.
problem, right? You can always talk about yourself in a situation, but always remember you're not wearing my shoes. The end of the day, where you say, Vani, that's something about me for true. I don't like for be alone. I always try to look somebody beside me because me I look for that warm family type of love, something where me feel like me miss now. You get me? But my problem is a person go tell me said, oh, it's because of man. Yeah, that come down to because me never expect a man to come use me and style me at the end of the day. But me do have my problem to deal with. It's like it'll come from left, right, and center. You
Yeah, but when
understand
you
me?
not understand,
Not
Annie, when you're
about
there with your
just
man, you remember you other stress them. And when a man, and when you're a man in a problem, and this is reality. Ask the people them over here like this is true because we've seen it. When you're there with your man, I'm not happy, no other stress, no did it, Annie. Because remember, your kids them already good.
Yeah, but
Social media talk no bother you, so you not have no other stress. You see, as soon as you and the man them kick off, the man stress the upon you, and then the other stress them where they fall and pan to it. And this is where it come back to the man argument because you know we're not talking about Yankee, we're not talking about your ex, we're not talking about man. Man don't angry. You pass that the man stress the guy. You're the your reality stress, you know, your kids, them,
yes,
whatever in your
yes,
life. But when social media go talk about it, it go come back from the man because we see where it a come from. And they say it a come from. So that's why
yeah,
people go always a talk about the man, and not really focus on what actually a stress you at the moment, which is no. You get what
yeah,
I'm saying? So when you are
yeah.
saying, I know man, will understand, but I dare the stress come from for other and other stress for make you reach right that's the way you reach now. And
For
that
real,
makes
for
it
real,
so
for real.
when
but
you learn for that by yourself, you
Ivany,
go good.
Ivany, did you know that all that you were just saying, it still comes under self-love?
Me love myself gone.
Me
Me
too,
love
Veronica,
myself
me too.
so
I'm
much.
a
So
couple
And
of years
what you trying to
exactly,
say?
that's why me I say it doesn't mean anything bad. All that you're just saying, me might say it differently from how
All
you
right, no,
say,
but it's
but
what you,
it's
I know all you said or what you say. Some I know you said Annie, you need to love yourself. You're not asking her to love yourself. It's not
Annie,
a
I
fact,
don't
but you
mean
know
anything as Mr.
you're telling her that she need to love herself. It's a difference. If you're gonna tell somebody, say, boy, Annie, me like how you love yourself, but just control yourself of being lonely. That's a different. But when you're telling her, Annie, you must learn to love yourself. That is like the woman not like herself. You sister, she not like
No, you
herself.
can't.
But you're
No, no,
because
no,
it's
all right,
always
Ivany.
telling
I'm
when
not.
somebody to
stuff,
love
No,
themselves. What that
I'm
mean
not. I
then?
never said
listen
that.
here,
I
when you start
never
off
said.
wrong is when time you
I
say,
never said you say that. I said saying that make it look like that. All
Oh,
right.
and it's never about it.
Annie, if me come to you now and I say, Annie, you should learn to, Annie, you're supposed,
But it,
what you did say? Annie, love yourself.
Love
What does that
yourself.
mean? I tell her to love herself. You're telling her to love herself, but me, I say you can't tell a person to love
All
themselves
right.
if
So
you don't
you're
know the
talking
All
about
right, I'm
person.
gonna
self-love.
go,
You're
but
talking about self-love, self-motivation. You understand what I say? And putting myself first at the end of the day. You maybe come off wrong, but I understand you because therefore when you start off, yes, me did feel a way. Because when a person go start off and say, no feel no way, right? That's why you go end up want feel a way because where you go come off with.
And you see the people them we are telling, you see people them in the comment section where say the lady not tell Annie nothing wrong because they don't like Annie. Because if we are no lady, me understand what she said, she not say anything wrong, but as a mature person reasoning, I mean know me have reasonability. If you are telling somebody you should love yourself, you actually tell them based on their reaction on the internet. You see all the way Annie do on the internet and it not look good as a big woman. And you think say if you don't love yourself, if you did love yourself, you'd have more respect. If you did love yourself, you'd carry yourself better. If you did love yourself, you'd treat somebody or you treat yourself. So you judge her based on her actions them on the internet, but that still doesn't mean that she doesn't love herself. You can't judge somebody based off of them action. Me can love myself, gone bed, but still be a thief. Me can love myself and still go shot somebody. That don't mean to say me no love myself. So when you're telling somebody to love themselves, you actually tell them say, yeah man, go love yourself, go do better. And that it means. So me no know one in a comment that tell me say, guys, me can't add Annie now go like that. What you mean by I mean you mad?
I do.
yes, and it just I'm gonna go. Take care of yourself. I will
Yeah, man,
continue.
love you. And, you know,
I didn't get to say everything that I wanted to say
Say
because
it, Manzel. Sorry, me not
no
gonna
man,
butt you
no,
out
say it,
because
man.
again.
It's
I don't
still a
want to be
conversation, you
missing.
know.
Huh?
Say it, man.
Sorry,
Say it.
man, me not gonna butt you out again, mama.
It
Talk.
is
Sorry
just
about that.
that for me, like, all right, I'm just gonna give you an example. I've gone through things, and sometimes when I first said self love,
Go
it
on, make
means
your
that
money go and
you
run.
have to,
Come.
you take some time out for yourself and do you and all of those things. That's what I was trying to get at. But I mean, I'm not going to be any. I don't want you to feel any type of way or anything, and
Already a long time I don't see you.
me just look on the comment them and say take me down and whatever. So guess what? Just
Just focus
take
I saw
on
care of
people
yourself.
stay.
you.
I saw people
No,
stay.
so you know, see, so it go come. All
Yeah,
right.
but just take
No,
care of
but you make your
yours.
point.
All
Your point.
right.
You have your point, you know. You have to make your voice be heard and make it go across. So yes, of course, me hear you.
And he don't want the pan screen with him. But where you want get me not what about not try do?
Me I turning in music here. Me I come. Give me a minute.
What tell me add Yankee for you? See the woman in her I go and get back her for say.